Alright, so hi guys. Today I'm just going to walk you through the Preply website because may mga nag-ask and may nag-request sa TikTok how to insert or how to open a file, a PDF or whatever file you have with your student during the lesson. So first we need to type in preply.com on our preferred web browser. And actually, guys, this video is exclusive for tutors who already have an approved account. So if you have an approved account, then you'll have this yeah, interface or front page, whatever. Yeah. Okay. So actually, I've already done with my lessons for today, so I don't have lessons anymore. But because this is a request coming from a, I don't know if she's my follower on TikTok, but yeah, but this is a request. So say for example that I have Peter, I have a lesson with Peter at this time. So dito ang nakalagay dyan, join lesson. If si Peter is my student now, right now. So join lesson nakalagay dyan before the lesson time. So the time now is 12:02. So that means to say Peter's lesson has already started. So you can't find any join lesson button here because it is already replaced by in progress. So let's just assume that Peter is our student now and the lesson hasn't started yet. And let's just assume that this is join lesson. So we will click this one. Okay, let's click Peter. And now we will be entering the lesson, the classroom. We're now entering the classroom. Makikita mo dito yung video mo, yung picture, yung video mo, yung self mo, makikita mo dyan. Tapos your audio, your microphone, then your camera. Then, of course, English with Peter. Pag nandito for example, if the student is in the classroom already, it will change. This will change. Peter is in the classroom, meaning to say, nandiyan na siya sa classroom, naghihintay na siya sa'yo. And Peter is not here yet. You can always enter anytime. So yeah, let's enter the classroom. Click the classroom, and yeah, that's it. Okay. So in here, hi self. So in here, how to insert a PDF. So click on the whiteboard. Click on the whiteboard, and then of course you need to wait because it will take time. All right. So the whiteboard is already open. Click on this, the four squares, and then upload files. You also have there YouTube, Google Docs, save image, and upload files, choose files. Let's just say, because this is just a practice. And then just click on that, and let's wait for the file to be uploaded here on the whiteboard. Okay? It will take a while, guys. Minsan kasi mabigat yung file or else low interconnection lang talaga meron ka. Yeah, that's it. Right? This is a PDF. You can draw anything here, anywhere, chilling like that. Okay. Students too can do that. Yeah, you can choose any colors here. Yeah. Any colors, for example, chilling. Okay. And then you can also type. Okay, this one. See? Or let's change the color. Oh, no, that one. You can also, hi, sorry, or what's up? Now, of course, you know, maliit siya, so pwede mong, lakihan. Yan. Pwede mong lakihan. It's up to you. Yeah, you can also underline or strike through. Anything, you can also copy and then delete. Okay, and also here, you can do any shapes, children, if you want to highlight something, or yeah, that one. And yeah, if you want to delete everything or every writing that you have written in the whiteboard, then you can just click that broom button, clear, yeah. Or if not, you just wanted to delete a specific a specific writing, then you can click this eraser. So it will not delete everything. It will only delete a particular or specific one. And what else? Of course, there's a pointer. You know that, and then you can also move. Yun lang. Time is up already. So you can always close the whiteboard, right? You can always close the whiteboard, or else you can just leave right away, leave the classroom right away. Or if not, you can also close the whiteboard. Okay, let's try. Okay, close the whiteboard. That one. And then, for example, if may time ka pa, Guys, may time ka pa, so you can, you can still talk with your client, with your student, like that. And in here, you can also choose grade, like that. So you're here, and then your client is on the right side, like that. Okay. And if time is up already, then you can click leave classroom and then leave. That's all. Okay. Thank you so much, and I hope I'm making sense here. See ya. Bye.